StartUpSity bOA speaking, and here we're having custard. I'm going to beat you people with a spatula. Here are my babies. Siusha, Jordan at the airport when they were babies. Are we having sweets, biscuits, chocolates, noodles? How do you mix all of these and make an afro out of it? What shapes and sizes do we see? Are we all round or square? How about the pigeonhole? What colors fit what colors? Try and place what you see in colors, what you like, to the left, and what you don't like, don't know how to do, to the right. The right hand speaks of how. The left hand speaks of what. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. And what kind of cartoon are we seeing here? StartUpSity bOA speaking. This is French toast. Tomorrow I'll be making croissant. 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 Yeah. Here, an element of surprise. Bread and groundnuts really fit wise. Here. Is it the king or is it the pawn? Let's dream on. How to make labels on your bottles or packets. You see, these things are very heavy to manufacture, and usually people don't know what is inside in the content. So it's very hard to ship. The easiest way to do this is to make different kinds of stickers and wrap it in paper. What type of paper suits? I don't know. I'm going to check it on YouTube. So here you can simply use watercolor to paint on a plastic that you like, and then simply use Scotch tape and then place it on your labels. StartUpSity bOA speaking. Can we turn this into a comb instead of plastic? And what can we use this for? Toothpicks, isn't it? Or can we color it and make it pretty? StartUpSity bOA speaking. 4 minutes and 50 seconds.